Hello trader, hope that you had an enjoyable trading day. Looking at GBPJPY, as you can see early today, as expected, GBPJPY has broken down of this long-term support level. The price currently below this support after a long consolidation. So let's see what kind of opportunity currently we have in this market. First of all, I'll be looking at higher time frame, looking at the monthly chart to see overall picture in the market. Now looking at the monthly on GBPJPY, we can see that this is a long-term bullish market. From the monthly, there was a huge breakdown previous months, and we have seen that this month, after forming series of higher low, GBPJPY has broken this monthly resistance level. And now we see that in the last week of the month, in couple of days, GJ was consolidating, which might bring this price to the downside for deeper pullback, as the market already reached that all-time high. This is a high liquidity zone. We can expect for the price to come down for a deeper pullback from the monthly perspective. Now looking at the weekly chart on GJ, we can see that from the weekly, this is the weekly impulse, a big move, followed by, we can see that previous week there was a narrow doji. This week, with this gap opening, GJ so far started to drop without creating a new higher high. So that means that we might see further downside, as the price already has broken this lower time frame support level, and this is the previous resistance on GJ, which is turning support here. We can expect for the price to drop down below this support level. Now if we look at the daily chart, we can see a bit more clearer picture. We see that there was a strong upside movement, narrow correction. We have seen another movement correction. After this, we saw that there was a long consolidation. The bulls tried to break this high, but we have seen a very weaker response from the buyers, created series of lower high. As a result, we saw previous day there was a breakdown of this support level. Currently the price is approaching this very significant previous swing high, which is the resistance, turning support here. Along with this daily 20 EMA, we could see that GJ finally dropping down to this level, gathering this liquidity, and then bouncing back again to the upside to create a higher high with this long-term uptrend. So looking at the intraday perspective, we see that there was a very long consolidation. That's the sign of trend change from this level to this level. So we can expect now GJ to drop. Today we have seen initially a huge breakdown here. Now with that breakdown, the price already has formed a bearish candle. This current candle closing in 1 hour time, what I think that we could see further pullback to the upside along this zone, as soon as we will find suitable entry on the lower time frame after retest of this zone where there is a doji. The price has not tested the upper shadow of this doji, which we can expect for the price to revisit on the lower time frame. As soon as we will find suitable entry, we'll look for going short on GBPJPY with a high probability trade setup. If you enjoyed this analysis, like and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.